This video is going to show you how to create a Google site for your portfolio. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to the waffle. And click on Sites. Once you're here, make sure you click on this down here on the bottom left, New Google Sites. Now, if you already have websites, they're going to be listed here. Yours probably won't look like this. I have a lot listed here. So to create a new site, you can come down here and click on Create New Site. So this is your web page. If you want to change the theme, you can do so here, and it'll give you a few choices. I'm just going to leave it as it is. To organize your pages in such a way to follow the sitemap, you come to this Pages tab. Now, if I go over to your instructions, it may look like this, and this is basically the sitemap. It tells you need a home page, then a page that says CAD class, and then it's going to split out from there. If you already have an existing site that has maybe 9th grade, 10th grade, you're going to want to put CAD class under whatever grade you're currently in. So to make it look like this right here is your home page. So you'd want to say your name, portfolio. So I'm going to first show you how to just organize your site. After this, you can create more pages. So this would be the next one, which I said would be CAD class. And now under CAD class, you can create and I forgot to make it a subpage. So you can just drag and drop this under CAD class. If you want to make it a subpage specifically, you can do it here. And this is going to be architecture. And so now you can see on my home page, which is this, you'll have home, and then you'll have a CAD class tab, and then under CAD class, you'll have two different splits. So that's how it follows this, CAD class, then engineering or architecture. So at this point, I'm going to show you how to populate each page. So this is a blank web page right now. This is where you would put about me. So you can start by saying, actually, let me start over. What I recommend is going with the layouts already created by Google. So if you click here, this will be a placeholder for an image. This you could put a header. Oops. And then this is where you would write a bit about me. So you will populate that with year of graduation, extracurricular activities, and so on. And if you want to put a picture in here, you'd click the plus. So that's that page. Let's go back to pages. Actually, we can just come here, and I'm going to go to the engineering page because I want to show you one more thing on here. So if I click this, let's say I'm going to insert an image. I, of course, have a ton of images on here. Let's just say that's an image. You're going to put a model in, though. And here I could say, and this is where you describe. Describe the project, describe how you made it, whatever it is I told you should do. From here, you could create another one of these and say inventor model. Whatever the name is, you can add another picture and so on. But if you look, this sort of gets cluttered. You can't separate one from another. So to separate, you could add a divider, which is not all that great. It's just a line. So I don't think that's that obvious. What I like to do instead is you can create a text box, move it up, and then you can color it. There you go. So there's a color. You would want to do the same thing above the. In fact, here I'll just show you. Just move it. So maybe you click here and then click another one here, and that'll separate out one model from another. This is up to you. This is how you create your layout, though. The last thing I want to show you is, let me put it here, actually. Let me just put another separating bar. And here you can create an image carousel. And to do this, this is how you would make scrolling images. Let's see if I have images that are worth putting in. Now these three are not related. You would ideally put related images in. So say you wanted to put all the pictures of Battleship, but I just want you to see this. So now on your website, what it'll look like is you can click, you might only be able to do it in the preview window once you've published your website, but that's how you create an scrolling image. Now, I was just talking about publishing it. Make sure you check out the next video to see how to publish your website.